Good morning, students. I hope all of you are fit and fine at home. Now, this is our maths lecture. Here we have started new lesson, that is introduction of zero. Introduction of zero. Now see question number 1. Look at the pictures and read aloud. Look at the pictures and read aloud. See this one hand. 5 balloons were in my hand. See here, this is one boy. Okay, how many balloons in that boy's hand? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balloons. Okay, then what happened? All 5 slip off my hand. What happened? All that 5 balloons slip off from their hand. Okay, that boy hand. Then all balloons are going in air. Then how many balls remain here? Nothing. Nothing means what? Zero. Nothing in that ball hand means zero. That is called zero. No balloons remain in my hand. No balloons remain in my hand means zero balloons remain in my hand. Zero is written as this way, like our O. Okay, but O and zero are different. Okay, zero means nothing. Next, see this example. 2 ladus in the dish. See this, in this dish how many ladus are there? 2 ladus, and all ladus are eaten by this boy. So how many ladus are remain here? 0 ladus in the dish. How many ladus in the dish now? 0. 0 means nothing. 0 is written as this. Let's see. No matchsticks in the matchbox means 0 matchsticks in the match box. Here, this is a matchbox. Okay, can you see any matchstick there? No. So no matchstick in the matchbox means 0 matchsticks in the match box. Nothing means there 0 things are there. Okay, see this is my one finger. Okay, nothing. Nothing means what? 0. Next, see, there were 4 birds on a branch. How many birds are here? 4. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 birds are here. Now see, all the birds are flew away. All birds are flying away, flew away. So how many birds are there on that branch? 0. Nothing means 0. How many birds remain on the branch? If no birds remain on the branch, then we see that 0 birds remain on the branch. Understood? 0 concept. Next, see, yeah. Question number 2. Join 0 with appropriate boxes. Join 0 with appropriate boxes. See here, in middle 0, we want to match the 0 to appropriate boxes. First, see here, what is that? That is telephone. Okay, one thing is there. Okay, so can we match with 0? No. 0 means nothing. Okay, can you match 0? Yes, because 0 means nothing. This was nothing is there. Okay, now see, chocolates. How many chocolates are there? 2. So can you match with 0? No. Now see here, 4 fishes are there. Can you match with 0? No. Can you match this box with 0? Yes, because there is nothing in that box. Yes. Can you match this box? Yes, because nothing is there. If empty, then you can match with 0, because 0 means nothing. Also, here 1, 2, 3, 4 sparrows, so we can't match it. Understood? Next, see, draw as many dots as given in the given number. Okay, you want to draw as many as box as given in the box. Okay, 2 dot, 1, 2, 0 means nothing we want to draw. Okay, then 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now see here. Take 9 coins in your hand and put them one by one in your empty piggy bank. Okay. Uh, okay. All of you have this like piggy bank. No, then someone have. Okay. Your parents have. What you want to do? You want to take 9 coins in your hand and put one by one in your empty piggy bank, every time saying, okay, 9 coins in my hand and 0 in the piggy bank, 8 coins in my hand and 1 in the piggy bank, and so on. What will you say when you put all the 9 coins in the piggy bank? When you put all the 9 piggy bank, all the coins in piggy bank, then how many coins remains in your hand? 0. 0 coins in my hand, and how many coins in piggy bank? 9 in the piggy bank. Now see here. Write the missing number 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next, color as many objects as the given number. Here number is 6, so we color 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This way you want to color 6. Then count the object and encircle the correct number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is there, so circle 7. Next, read the number and write the corresponding number. 9, so 9 here. 7, so 7. Draw additional 5 object. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. 8 object we want to draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 object. 1, 2 and okay. Now tick the action which is done later. Which action is done later? This. Okay. So you want to take this is cake cutting, then eating. Okay. Draw 7 triangle and color it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and color one out of it. Okay. Only one we want to color. Okay. You color by your color pencil. Next, connect the number to correct circle. Okay, we want to connect this number to correct circle. Okay, first we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is our option directly, so we collect. Okay, in order less than 5. Okay, 8 we want to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this option is correct. So adding. Next, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this 6. So we connect here. Next, do I that tick the one of that is smaller? Who is smaller? So this is smaller. So we connect here. Next, correct tick the one above the lamp. Okay, which is above the lamp? Fan. So this we finish our test 1. Practice 1 to 9 you want to do at your home. Okay, if you have any query you can ask me on group. Okay, yeah, this you want to solve. Yeah, up to this. Okay, now we finish our lecture here. Thank you and have a nice day.